Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 8 December 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 21, number 26, number 33, number 15, number 44. Booster number 7. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number. Tea time prediction first number 25, number 6, number 37, number 47, number 13 and booster number 32. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.